Want to know how to remove a repost on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove a repost on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your TikTok profile. Likewise, right below the share profile option, you can see 5 different icons. Now tap on the third icon from the left. Furthermore, tap on the video. Finally, tap on the share icon right above the sound icon. Here at the first, you can see the remove repost option. Tap on it. So this is how you can remove repost on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.